Yeah, what do you guys think about that? I'm out here fishing. And look at this, y'all. I got a little striper right here. Look at that, y'all. That's what I landed so far today on a Tuesday. And look at that, y'all. Nice little striper. About to let him go, y'all. Yeah. What do you guys think about that? Let me show you guys this fish right here. Looks like somebody has some string on. What's this, y'all? Nice little striper. What do you guys think about that? Here at the Sacramento River. Another one on the line right here. Yeah. See how this goes, man. Catch a bunch of little shakers on this side of town. Yeah, that's alright. I'm gonna keep on fishing, y'all. I'm Rich Rod. I'm gonna catch you next time, guy. Yeah, I'm out here close to downtown Sacramento, old Sacramento. Yeah. Nice little fish, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna keep on fishing, y'all. Yeah, catch you next time.